Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put an image inside a circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and click the shape. Use ellipse tool and use stroke another fill. Press enter. Hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Increase the stroke size. Change the stroke line. OK. Then go to file, open and open your image. Then double click, insert it an image. Put inside, right click, create a clipping mask. Then press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize the image. Okay, change the color to stroke. Okay. Hold Ctrl, press Ctrl Z, group.